Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts Zero to Hero Python coding on Jetson Nano. We are on lesson number 93. Alright guys, in the previous lesson I showed you how to create a function and call a function. In this lesson we are going to learn about arguments in a function. Alright, so basically information, any kind of information can be passed into the functions as arguments. Okay, arguments are specified after the function name. Once you specify your function, after that you got to define the name within the parentheses, within the brackets. Okay, you can add as many arguments as you want. It's not unlimited, millions, right? Just separate them with a comma only. That's very important. If you don't separate with a comma, you are going to shoot up with multiple errors. Now let me show you an example how you are going to pass an argument into the function and call for that. Let me open my terminal. I am in my Jetson Nano terminal. Let's open the previous file. Nano, what was the name? Fun.py. Sorry, it was fun, fun.py. Okay, now let me delete this program and let's create something on our own. Alright, let's define my underscore function. And now if you want to pass an argument, you need to create a short word, any word, say for example function name. Okay, fname. I'll make it as a fname and then colon. Now indentation, print fname plus, and then you can add your multiple lines of strings what you want to add. Say Jetson. Okay, and then you need to close the bracket. Okay, now you are calling for that particular function. How you call, I showed you in the previous lesson. My underscore function, and then you need to open the bracket, and then let's say Thanos. You can add how many ever you want, guys. I'll say my underscore function, I will say Spider-Man, and then make sure you are using the double quotes. Okay, and open the bracket and close the bracket, and then my underscore function, let's say Hulk. Okay, and now I think we have defined fname and then fname plus Jetson, and then within my function you are creating multiple arguments. Let's see how it works. Control O, enter, Control X, Python 3 fun.py. There you go. Thanos, Jetson, Spider-Man, Jetson, Hulk, Jetson. Now you understood this, right? How it works. So how you're passing specific set of parameters or any length and lines of strings in your my function, and then you can create that as an argument and call for it. So that's how it works, guys. So you are good at creating your own function, and also you can create an argument now. Alright guys, have fun and do please create your own examples and try to execute the code. That's where you're going to master the skills, and that's where you're going to become an expert on the terminal and on Python and on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.